How much does a Beats Buds case cost?
Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to tackle a very specific question. How much does a Beats Buds case cost? This question is particularly relevant for those of you who might have misplaced or damaged your original Beats Buds case and are looking to replace it. Let's dive right into it.
What are Beats Buds?
Before we jump into pricing, let's clarify what Beats Buds are. Beats Buds are wireless earbuds developed by Beats by Dr. Dre, a subsidiary of Apple Inc. They are known for their superior audio quality and sleek design. The case itself not only serves as a protective layer for your Beats Buds but also as a charging station, making it an integral part of the product.
The cost of a Beats Buds case.
Now, to the main question at hand. As of mid-2023, the cost of a Beats Buds case can vary depending on a few factors. If you're purchasing directly from Apple or an authorized retailer, the price is usually around $50 to $60. However, do keep in mind that prices can vary depending on your location due to shipping and handling fees or local taxes. On the other hand, if you're considering buying a used or third-party non-official case, you could potentially find cheaper options. These typically range from $20 to $40, though the quality and compatibility may not be guaranteed.
Is it worth buying a new case?
Now, you might be wondering, is it worth spending that amount of money on just the case? The answer to this question is very individual and depends on your specific circumstances. However, considering that the case is essential for charging the buds and keeping them protected, investing in a new case can extend the life of your Beats Buds. And that's a wrap on the cost of a Beats Buds case. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for a new case. Remember, it's not just about the price, but also about ensuring the longevity and performance of your Beats Buds. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned.